morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the market. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Amazon stock traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
A rebound in risk appetite continued to propel riskier currencies, with the Australian dollar hitting a one-week high, while the euro rose against the dollar as Omicron variant fears eased. European stocks ended a volatile session lower after marking their strongest two-day gain in more than a year, with tech and luxury stocks reversing strong gains as investors pitted vaccine reassurances against COVID-19 curves. The United States became Britain's biggest export market for financial services in the run-up to Brexit, overtaking the European Union, where sales shrank in 2020.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims at 1330 GMT. The Irish consumer price index will be released at 1100 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 1330 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.